Just got this small little air fryer, which is said that is 5 liters, but it looks rather small. I do not, I do not have any of the paper or silicone base that usually they bought. I just use aluminum foil so that I don't have to wash the tray, and you can have a so-called they have a little should I say little stand like that, but because it might be very difficult to wash, so I just use aluminum and crush it hard, make it into a line, so this pot can stand on top of it. You see, it can stand there, so it doesn't touches the bottom sauce, or you call it juice or whatever. This 2 piece only got so much of juice. What I did is I put the pork into the fridge and let it air dry for about 28 hours. After drying, it's quite dry, then I use it in the air fryer.